Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about Microsoft Loop versus Notion versus OneNote. Let's dive into these three powerful productivity tools, each offering unique features to help you organize your notes, plan projects, and collaborate seamlessly. Microsoft Loop is a modern collaboration tool that focuses on real-time, dynamic workspaces. It lets users create components like text, lists, or tables that can be shared and edited across Microsoft apps. It's designed for teams who want fluid collaboration, allowing content to stay in sync no matter where it's embedded. It's perfect for fast-moving projects where flexibility and teamwork are key. Notion is a highly customizable all-in-one workspace for notes, task management, databases, and project planning. It uses a block-based system, allowing you to build pages that can contain text, tables, checklists, media, and more. Notion is perfect for individuals and teams who want full control over how they organize their workflows, combining flexibility and structure effortlessly. OneNote offers a digital notebook experience that mimics physical notebooks. With a freeform layout, users can type, draw, and paste content anywhere on the page. It's great for students, researchers, or professionals who prefer the freedom of unstructured note-taking combined with Microsoft's ecosystem for seamless cloud syncing. I have created a comparison table for you. If you're focused on team collaboration and fluid project management, Microsoft Loop is your best bet. It's designed to keep your content dynamic and up to date, syncing seamlessly across Microsoft apps, perfect for fast-paced teams working in a shared ecosystem. If you want an all-in-one, highly customizable productivity workspace for planning projects, managing tasks, and organizing databases, Notion is a powerhouse. It's ideal for both individuals and teams who want full control over how they build their workflows. But if you prefer unstructured, freeform note-taking where you can type, draw, and brainstorm freely, OneNote is unbeatable. It's especially useful for students, researchers, and professionals who want to mimic the flexibility of physical notebooks with digital convenience. In short, go with Microsoft Loop for real-time collaboration and fluid content syncing. Choose Notion for structured productivity, project planning, and database management. Pick OneNote for freeform digital notebooks and flexible unstructured notes. Which app fits your workflow? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more app comparisons. See you in the next one.